hydrangea zen garden. For a out-of-the-box look at the new Ryobi line trimmer and blower combination. We'll get to that in a second, but first, you may notice there's no box. Well, I would have appeared the fool if I had opened up the box and didn't know how to put this together. There was a lot of new pieces I hadn't seen before, and I was quite confused. So we got rid of the box and saved both of us some time in this video. But suffices to say. Okay, as I was saying before, being rudely interrupted by the homeowner. What do they want me to do? Work here? There's no box because I would have embarrassed myself opening the box in front of you and not knowing what half the things did. So I've done some reading, and now I understand what I've bought. But first of all, before I get there, I want to say I've owned a Ryobi for about 3 years, Ryobi line trimmer. It's fabulous. It's definitely home quality, not professional quality, but I have put it through the paces. I've gone through 3 heads. Well, I'm on my 3rd head. So it's taken a lot of wear and tear, but every time it's so easy to put together, so easy to use, it's fantastic. My biggest complaint is the battery charger. It takes an hour and a half to charge one battery, and reloading the head is difficult. You have to turn the knob and it's tricky. But they solve both those problems, and we'll get to that. But before I get to that, I want to make sure you understand that if you're organized and you know what you want to buy, wait until this time of year, September, because there's a ton of inventory, especially in Home Depot, and they're selling it off for discount. I love me a good discount. I've been eyeballing this thing all summer, and it's steadily been $350 just for the line trimmer. Well, the package, including the blower, was around $450. Well, I got it last week for $250. $200 discount. It pays to know somebody in the department. I'm there so much, they all know my face, and that helps. But they have a lot of inventory right now. I saw it. Tons of stuff, deeply discounted. Okay, so, first of all, this is now graphite, which is lighter, and the coupling mechanism is better than before. So when you couple it, you just put it like this together. There's a silver knob here. You want to line this up so that the head is opposite the handle, and then get the little silver knob to pop into that hole. There it is. Then half a turn of this knob and you're set, like that. Now it used to be like 4 turns on my old Ryobi, but this is much quicker. And right now it's got a head that I've never used before, so let's talk about that. My old Ryobi came with this type of head, which I'm used to and love, but the new one came with this type of head as well as this one, and this one has 2 purposes. Oh, stop the baby. Everywhere I go there's construction. So the first one is these pre-cut lines that you feed through a tiny little hole, super simple, and of course you get 4 lines instead of 2. The disadvantage is once you use them up, you can't tap and get more. You have to stop the machine, pull these out, which are very easy to pull out, right, and put new ones in. There, I put it back in again. Try and make the lengths equal. Another thing about this head is this blade can be reversed to make a smaller diameter cut, but I prefer the larger diameter. Also, an improvement, significant improvement over the old line trimmer is it has a slow and fast setting right here. Also the trigger, it is variable speed, so as you press harder, it speeds up. you got it. That's new and great. They also gave me a battery, which is same power distribution, 40 volts, but you can see it's about an inch longer than the old one, so I'm assuming it probably lasts that much longer. Another crazy thing they gave me, well, there's a couple crazy things, but let's get to that. Actually, I'm going to pull back here. Okay, so we've got this head with these double lengths, and you can unlock it. There's a little lock symbol right here, and you can unlock it just by twisting the head like that, and it pops off. Oops, don't lose the spring. Then you can take this one, line up these 4 holes here, like that, and then same locking. There, it's on. Now, my biggest complaint about the old Ryobi is it was hard to turn this and pull in the new line. Well, they sold me this mechanism, which I had never seen before, and it took me a couple of days to figure out what it was for. Fits over here, and then you go, tighten it up real easily, so that's a big improvement. Can't lose that. So it also included these 2 blades, which I've never used before, and they are going to be used for cutting difficult small plants. And I have some suckers at the bottom of a crabapple tree that I'm about to show you, and we're going to try and use these to cut it, okay? Let's see, what else have I not told you about? Oh yes, the blower has a spare nozzle, because these get ratty. That's very thoughtful of them, thank you. The blower I've used a little bit. I would say it's not as strong as the DeWalt that I used to clean this property. But everything fails eventually, and it's nice to have backup, isn't it? Didn't really want to buy a blower, but here we are. Got an extra blower. Okay, so we're gonna put these blades on, and then I'm gonna wear these spy glasses, which have a camera built right into the center here to film the crabapple suckers getting chopped with these blades. Okay? Okay, we're wearing the spy glasses now, and you can see the suckers at the bottom of the crabapple tree, which are quite thick. I've used the mower to chop them down a couple weeks ago, and now they're coming back. So let's see what we can do with this crazy blade. Looks bloody dangerous. I don't know if I'm safe here. Anyway, we're gonna give it a try. See if it can get through these very thick suckers. You ready? Oh. I don't know, the whole thing's a little scary. I don't know if I'd use it very often. Little touch up and then I think we're done. Okay, until next time.